Good day, everybody. Once again, welcome to Flicker Brains. And today, being 21st of December, I'm going to be showing you guys what we have received so far on our AdSense account, the one we have been working on for a while. Okay, so let's log into the AdSense dashboard. If you're new, please hit the like button and subscribe. Follow us for more content like this. Okay. So on the screen here, you can see this our live AdSense dashboard, and you can see what we have done so far on the account this month being December. And you can see that the account has received payments. For those that are new here, this is an account I've been working on since this early this month, this year I mean, and we are receiving huge payment with this. Let me refresh this. Okay. All right. So I refresh this so I'll know whether there's any update so far on the account. Okay, so this is an account we have been working on for a while. You can see last payment, you can see what we received on the account, around $37,000 on this account. This is today. This is what we received today. So the method is a method that is effective, and now we mix this our loading now with a bit of arbitrage, because the rates of ad limits recently is becoming frequent. It's too much, so we add it with a bit of arbitrage and mix it with loading. So it's a smooth method that you rarely face that ad limit. Those having issues of that ad limit again, you rarely face ad limits while working with this method, and you will not face any problem like suspension or ban. You can see so far, you can see the CPC, you can see the cookies, everything is okay. You can see this is a account that received payments previously in the past. Let me show you. You can see the payments. You see that the account has received a lot of payment previously in the past. It's not the first time of receiving payments. You can see this payment December. You can see it here. 21st of December, we received this $37,000 on this account. You can see. So I told that this account is an old account, and you can see over here too. You can see that even the previous month, October, the previous month, we received money with the account too. You can see it here. You can see it. So it's a very effective method. So let's go back to home. So if you want to learn how this method works, you want to understand how we load the account without facing issues, you can see from today so far, you can see we made over $1,000 on this account. So you can, if your account is a huge account, you can be loading almost 1,000 every day on the account. You can see today so far we loaded 1,000 on this account. You can even see this month what we have summed up, around $20,000 on the account. So it's an effective method. So if you want to learn how this method works, you want to understand how everything works, you can click on the description box below. You will see our contact info. You can reach out to me and we will discuss on call, and I will explain a lot of things for you. Okay, subscribe for more of this content.